Happy New Year, guys. This is like my first long video for the year, and today I'm going to be coloring my hair with both FLEXI rods and curlformers. I don't know if you've seen it, but I made a short video of this, so if you're in a hurry, you can actually watch that. It's less than a minute. So first of all, I'm going to take down my braids, my twist actually. This is what I'm going to use: my leave-in conditioner, my gel actually, which I didn't really use, and of course my spray bottle. And yeah, some scrunchies to hold my hair, my comb to pick my hair when I'm done. I'm starting the first section. I concentrated with using the curlformers more at the back because that is easier, and like in case I needed to like lie down and all of those things. So I applied the conditioner to my hair first. My hair was pretty like conditioned, moisturized before I've done conditioner because I used to spray to my spray bottle. So yeah, I'm adding the conditioner and the first few times it failed. But yeah, I got a hang of it later. So as you can see, I was really struggling with it and got to a point I was kind of frustrated. I think it's worked out later. I'm not really sure if it did, but anyways, okay, I was able to do that. Then yeah, some were very stubborn and I had to like keep pulling them to get to the right shape. And I think this was actually not follow chilling. That was risky by the way. Anyways, this stick broke. Like, you guys, really, this is like a test of patience. Come on, it was really messing with me. But yeah, I guess the result's worth it at the end of the day. So then this is my first FLEXI rod. Okay, it wasn't actually bad, but I was just like confused on how and where to place my hands and all of those. So I think I got a hang of it later. Yeah, let's go for a short break. So I was able to successfully do some FLEXI rods. It was actually not that difficult. All I had to do was to like comb my hair around the rod and like add gel towards the end so it's gonna stay. Because fussy hair, it's always really stubborn to stay. I just had to do that. Yeah, I kind of made like smaller sections because like the curlformers is gonna have, of course, less curl definition, so it was better if I do them like in smaller sections than the curlformers. Yeah, and this is actually not difficult at all. Anyone can do this. for those curious, this took me about 2 hours. Yeah, almost 2 hours or about 2 hours thereabouts. Of course, excluding the time it took to like dry and all of those. But yeah, it wasn't actually bad. After all, it wasn't bad. So yeah, you should give it a try. Give it a try. And finally, my last section, I use the curlformer for this. It's pretty simple actually. Just try to hook your hair with that hook-like thingy and drag it down. And yeah, so alright, finished. And because I needed to go out like later that day, I had to just blow dry it. Normally, I was supposed to sleep overnight with it, so it's gonna get dried, but I needed to get dry as soon as possible. And this took me 100 years to finish. Like, literally speaking, it took me a lot of time. I literally had to do this. Yeah. It's time to unravel the curls. I oiled my hands, my palms with coconut oil, so it's going to like separate better. And yeah, I was actually kind of scared if or not it's already dried and if it was gonna like form. And yeah, it was actually that bad. I was pretty excited about it. I literally feel a rush of dopamine in me at that moment because I felt so good and I felt really excited that the curls came out like perfectly. It should have been like really perfect if I had used just curlformers throughout. Since I've been trying to look for more, like fortunately at this moment I can't. I'll still keep trying though. But yeah, the curlformers actually came out really nicely. FLEXI kind of ruined it, just kind of. It was actually salvaged, but just like kind of. I decided to like packing it like in a puff and all. But yeah, I would definitely try this style out again with just curlformers or with just FLEXI. But I think because like they both gave like different curl patterns, so that was what like was making it confusing kind of ish. Anyways guys, I would really love you guys to like try this out, and please do subscribe if you haven't, and thank you once again for watching my video. I hope you do like and subscribe.